What's up guys? Today we're gonna be fixing the 8.6 over there. I bought it and then the second week I had it, it broke down. I have to start this thing like 5 times or 6 times before it starts up. And the starter finally gave out, so it was under warranty and I got another one for free, so that wasn't that big of a deal. But I really want to get this thing running on the first try so I can actually daily drive it like I intended it to. I bought this car to be my daily driver and I haven't drove it once as a daily, so I'm gonna do that today. After doing like a million tests, I have came to the conclusion that this is our problem. It needs a new fuel pressure regulator, a fuel dampener, and also maybe EFI relay. So I got all 3 and we're gonna install it on here and hopefully it works. So these are all the parts that I got. This is the fuel pressure regulator, which goes over here. They don't look at all like the same thing, so hopefully they are the same thing. The EFI relay goes over here. Oh shit. Well, it did. It goes right here. So this dampener is supposed to go right here, but the last owner put a Bender bolt instead. And if maybe we put this back on, it'll stable out the idle a little bit more. So this is a comparison between the old one. This one has a bendy at the bottom. This one goes straight, so it might be a little bit harder to put in. All right, so we're gonna go to AutoZone real quick, get some more tubing because the tubing that we had is too short, and then we'll be back to fix this baby up. All right, so we're back. We got the 2-for-1 special, and we got the 1 small tube and 1 bigger tube. Supposedly supposed to fit both, and we'll try to see if it fits. Let's measure this baby up.
This is 3 sec. That's pretty good. Sweet. Oh, yeah.
Alright, so now that we got the fuel dampener on and we got the new fuel pressure regulator on, and we also put the EFI in there, hopefully this baby starts up on the first try. The reason why this thing, we didn't have EFI in here, the last owner said that he has it under the dash. And he said it's like this thing right here. I'm not sure if that's it. So we're just putting another one in there, and if it works, it works. We'll keep it there. But if not, and you guys know for a fact this is actually it, then we'll remove the one up there and just wait for this one to go out, and then we'll actually have an extra. So it works out both ways. Just to make sure the battery ain't dead, Dave's made the contraption of the battery going to this battery, then charging to this battery, just to make sure it ain't dead. And I'm gonna put the air filter back on. Everything's looking nice and shiny, so hopefully this baby starts up. So this is the moment of truth, guys. I've got the key in and we're about to start it up. It's probably not gonna start up the first time because there's absolutely no fuel pressure, but the second time is the one that matters. So let's get to it. Getting somewhere. So I think this is our 4th crank so far, and we finally got a little something. Hopefully 5th is a charm. Alright, God. Give me something good. Ooh, that was close. Yeah, buddy. So we'll leave it running for like a couple minutes, turn it off for like a couple minutes, and try to turn it back on. Hopefully it starts up right away. Hopefully I didn't just spend like, I think it was like 160 bucks for the fuel pressure regulator, EFI relay, and the dampener. So yeah, not an easy thing to just be playing around with. So we were looking over the engine while I was sitting here, and I was looking under the car about a week ago, and this car has major oil leakage from like the rear main seal or something. And when we looked at the car, the oil was at the top. Now it's all the way at the bottom and it looks hella dirty. So I think we're just gonna clean it out, and that's gonna give us enough time for the engine to sit and see if the fuel pressure holds. All my diamonds, they all glow. Yeah, my wrist is made of gold. Next so icy, Stand up.
I got bands, watch me dance in a trance. All these brands, I can't stand so much bands in my pants. I'm in France.
Alright guys, the Hachiroku is ready to run, hopefully. So we haven't started up since the last time we started up, but we did change the oil because it was super low. And it probably gives us enough time for the fuel pressure regulator to hold its fuel, and let's see if it starts up. Here's the moment of truth, guys. Dear Lord, please make my 8.6 work, please. Well, David, I guess we did all that for nothing. Well, this was unsuccessful. Super frustrated right now because I've spent like 3 weeks diagnosing this and still nothing. Really sucks. So we didn't actually end up getting it today. We couldn't figure it out. We've tried everything, and yeah, so we're just gonna do something fun now. David's got his nice Jeep here that we went to go buy a couple months ago, and we repainted it, and it looks pretty good, but now we're gonna smash a TV with it and see how well it does Jeep things with. I got this free TV from work because it was broken, and why not just smash it, you know? Let out some anger from this stupid 8.6 not working over here. Here's the TV. How are we gonna do this?
I don't know, dude. I didn't really think it through.
Just lay it on the road and just run over it.
No, that's not as cool.
Or should we hit it like while it's standing
I
up?
want to hit it standing up.
Okay, so we're putting this bad boy in the back of the Jeep, and it's gonna be cool. Alright, there we go. There's the TV in. We got a little tiny painter stick in there, and we're gonna prop it up and just ram it. So this is the place we're gonna do it. We're in a brand new neighborhood. None of the houses are done, so no one will see us. This road looks pretty good right here. Straight away. Yeah, right here. Checking out this sweet neighborhood. Testing all these houses out. Make sure the foundation's good and you know, the windows work and everything. Heater didn't work in that one. So we're gonna see if the heater works in this one over here. This one's got Coca-Cola in it. Snacks. Mm-hmm. Okay. This one's not empty, so cheese croissant. Karina, that sounds like it's all you. So we got the TV set up. Dude, it looks like a mirror. Mirror on the wall. Which headlight is gonna get destroyed? Holy shit. Oh my god. Yeah, go.
Or should we try to speak it up so we look like good people?
No.
No, it's too much.
So that's what happened to the headlight. David's doing the cleanup work over here. Damn. Knocked that headlight out.